Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to reset your password with Pencil. So I'm on the Pencil homepage, and you can see at the top you have two options. You can either log into an existing account or create an account. So being that we are resetting our password today, I'm going to log into an existing account. Pencil gives you the option to log in using an existing Google account, an existing Facebook account, or to log in with your email. When logging in with a Google account or a Facebook account, you do not need a password. However, when logging in with your email, you do need a password. So to reset our password, we are going to continue with our email. So you may have many reasons to reset your password. However, to reset your password, you have to click the Forgot Password button. You are going to be taken to a page where you are going to type in the email of the Pencil account you wish to reset your password for. Once you've typed in your email, you're going to click Reset Password, and you will receive an email from Pencil directly to this email account with further steps on how to reset your password. So now when I go to my inbox, I can see that I have an email from Pencil, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to follow the link within the email to reset my password. So this link will take me to a page where I can type in my new password I want for my account. Once I've typed in my password, I'm going to click Save. And now I will be able to log into my account using my new password. So I'm back on the Pencil homepage, and I'm going to click Login. Once again, we are going to continue with email. I'm just typing in my email and new password, and I'm going to sign in. And once you log in, you'll be directly taken to the Spaces landing page. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button found at the bottom left corner of your screen.